All right. Hey there, everybody. In the morning, afternoon, evening, depending on where you're at. We are taking a look right now at CRWV for the challenge account. The reason why I like this one is because it's well, trying to get, I should say, an overall bullish trend. The 30 is getting ready to cross above the 100. We have a very nice daily squeeze setting up. But what I really liked about this is it has this bullish divergent bar from 2 days ago, looking for a move back up to or above 144. And so the divergent bar on CRWB has an 8 out of 10 follow through rate. So I decided to jump into a very low risk um, broken wing butterfly. And let me just pull up Tasty so you guys can see it. Or I mean, Thinkorswim, I should say, if it will move over for me. Ooh, mm, give me. I don't know why, but this is always so slow on my mouse when it tries to move over. There it goes. So this is the trade we opened down here. It's the 144, 148, 150 call. I'm in it for a 69-cent cost basis. The mark has been jumping all over the place, so you might have to, leave it out there. I didn't personally want to pay more than 70. But I'll be looking for this to try and get at least at the money, if not start to go in the money by the close tomorrow. And if it doesn't quite reach target, unless the charts look really stellar to try and get that continuation higher, I probably will not be taking any further action on it. And I'll cut the trade and protect capital. So unless it's like, rising momentum or something else where it's like, this looks like it's going to go, I'll probably be out of this trade tomorrow one way or another. What I also really like about CRWV as a setup too is that we have a lot of intraday squeezes setting up. So if this can start to get a little bit of a bounce sooner than later going into the end of the week, I might make for a really great scalping opportunity. So that's the setup. I just wanted to make sure to share that with you guys. And then just in case you didn't see it, that right there is the trade idea. So let me hide the notepad for a second and you can see right here the trade and those strikes that I'm talking about on Thinkorswim. So I hope that helps y'all out. As always, for those of you over on Twitch or on YouTube, may the trade be with you, my fellow Jedi's. And I hope you have a rest of your trading day into the close. Bye, y'all.